Here I have CAT S40, and today I'm going to show you how to connect Xiaomi AirDots 2 to this device. So firstly, you have to enable Bluetooth. Then you have to go to the Bluetooth section, and after you see these headphones in the list of the available devices, tap on them, and after that you will be connected to these headphones. So if you want to disconnect, just tap here and then tap forget, and you will be disconnected from them like forever. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.